So here we go. Let me start with my mm, tool, and I will tell you how you can get this video and how you can create videos like this. So the test is like this. So I made already a video with my workflow. So the end result looks like this. Wait a second, it's in rendering. Mhm. Run it, man. So yeah, it's work.
Hey everyone, and welcome back
So
to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most terrifying and awe-inspiring creatures in all of prehistory, the terror bird. Imagine a bird, taller than a
so do you like it? So these types of videos I can help you to how to make it and how to create these types of video with just one click. Only on single click you can make videos like this. For example, I'm making a revenge story on this workflow, and there are so many other workflow as well.